Everybody, I am going to do a flip through of a journal that I just did. I got done making. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is one of my favorites that I've done so far. Kind of chunky, and I'm just going to get right into it. I got this, I don't know where I found this lace, but I love it, and I used most of it up on this book. I used the Vintage Spring Kit to create this journal, and I printed it out on coffee-dyed paper and did a lot of sewing in this one, and just kind of, I had fun with it. Did a lot of sewing, a lot of layering. I really love these images that are in the kit. Is that? Some papers that I made up for you to journal on. Paper clip with an envelope here. Tuck spot, you can put a tag or something in there if you wanted to. Little file folder. Just a pretty on the page. Just pops out like this. And this. And there's pockets on the side. Tabs, little pins. There's that. Another pocket inside there. Just a tag. This I actually fussy cut around the file folder that was in the kit because I like the birds, and I just turned it into a little tuck spot. Oops. It's kind of grungy, but I liked it. I liked it that way. It turned out exactly the way I wanted it to, and I was very, very happy with it. You can use this as a little tuck spot if you wanted to. Little journaling card. Altered paper clip. Oops, that's the other side. There's this. And then there's a tuck spot in here if you wanted to use it in here. I just had fun with it. I really did. I just played around and went through, and I finally wound up having to say no, enough is enough, because I just kept adding to it and adding to it. This is just a little, I don't know what this is. I liked it. I put it together like this, and I figure if somebody wanted to, they could actually put a picture in there, or just leave it like that. Make it pretty. This. There's 4 signatures in the book. There's 160 pages. So I just randomly stuck things in. This is attached with a little paper clip. There's a lot of journaling space in here that you have, but there's a lot of color too. Everything's kind of muted, but I like that. For some reason, that's just kind of what I'm going with right now. I did a bunch of layering on this one. I don't know, I liked it. I like this doily. And I figured that I wanted to use up some of this stuff because this is, you can journal on this. But I just, going through my stash, I have so much stuff. And there's, you know, there's no way I can use it all. Little booklet. Goes right in there. Another journaling card. I love this lace too. Little envelope. Journal card in there. And there's this one. And then you flip over and there's this side. And this is an envelope that I made with some paper in it. Let's fit in there. Oops, missed a page or two. I love this. I think it's so, I don't know, it's just gorgeous to me. The images are just amazing. And they're very subtle. That's what I love. There's a cockatoo here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is an actual cockatoo on this paper here, which is really cool. And there's this. I made this little book that, isn't it cute? This little book. It goes in. There. And this just wraps up. Sorry guys, my hands are just not what they used to be. I think I say that in every video. Little charms. There's little charms throughout the whole book. I just added. This has a tag that pops out of here up top. So, some more journaling cards. A card there. Another card. This is a flip over. This is the other side. It's connected with some fabric here and sewn on. This is just a little add-on. I made this page and I liked it and just kind of added a splash of color to the journal. And then this is, there's an envelope here with some paper in it. There's a journaling card, another journaling card. So there's 3 different spots for you to put stuff in here. Oops, it goes in here like this, so you can see the pretty roses. That. This is the back page, and there's a spot up here to tuck something in if you wanted to. Goes all the way down to the bottom, and then here's the back cover. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Like and comment down below. And subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching, guys. You have a good day.